I'll tell you what you'll do for me, darling. When we get back to town, I want you to make me a list of the 50 richest men in Brazil. The 50 richest.
Holly, I'm not going to let you do this.
You're not gonna let me?
Holly, I'm in love with you.
So what?
So what? So plenty. I love you. You belong to me.
No. People don't belong to people.
Of course they do.
I'm not gonna let anyone put me in a cage.
I don't want to put you in a cage. I want to love you.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not. Holly.
I'm not Holly. I'm not even Lulami. I don't know who I am. I'm like Cat here. We're a couple of no-name slobs. We don't belong to anybody, and nobody belongs to us. We don't even belong to each other. What do you think? This ought to be the right kind of place for a tough guy like you. Garbage cans, rat galore. Scram! Take off! I said beat it! Stop the cab. Let's go.
Driver, pull over here. You know what's wrong with you, miss, whoever you are? You're a chicken. You've got no guts. You're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do belong to each other because that's the only chance anybody's got at real happiness. You call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing, and yet you're terrified that somebody's gonna stick you in a cage. Well, baby, you're already in that cage and you built it yourself. And it's not bound in the west by tulip, or Texas, or in the east by Somaliland. It's wherever you go. Because no matter where you run, you'll always end up running into yourself. And you know what? Yeah, I've been carrying this around for the last 2 years. I don't want it anymore.